toasting some bread. This is our toaster. This is just slowly cooking away. This was actually a really yummy recipe. It's got capsicum, black beans, red kidney bean, mince. Love it how
It's me. I said that. I meant that. Let's go.
I've just put on this blush and cocoa face mask and gonna leave it on for 10 minutes and we are gonna do some baking. Let's see what we've got. Figs. Yum. We have some chocolate. Got the tahini. Find the rest of the ingredients soon. I gotta just go clean up after lunch because Anna, she's a bit of a mess. We had a tasty old lunch there. It's just a rainy old day. It's a good day for some baking. Okay, these kind of vlogs are my absolute favourites. I love watching people bake and just chill out at home. Got a mixing bowl. Is anyone else loving The Office? I started watching The Office and we've like been watching it every single night before bed. Literally, and I feel like Michael is just my favourite person on the whole planet. Okay, let's bring out our inner Michael, everybody.
Here we go.
Shall we reach in? Okay, Kevin. Dwight. It is in the short. Pam. Jim. I mean, we're just friends, you know. That was season 2. I do not think I like that. Anyway, Mum's just sending me the recipe. Oh my god, the best episode ever was the fire episode. It's literally the funniest thing. Dwight just sees like no one paid attention on health and safety fire lessons, so he decides to like I can't deal. He decides to like pretend like to see if they did pay attention or not in their health and safety class, and obviously nobody was. And he's like, does anybody smell it? Or I don't know what he does, but then all of a sudden the whole office is like running around.
Procedure, everyone. What's the procedure?
Stay calm.
And I absolutely love Kevin's reaction. He smashes the vending machine and grabs all the food. Okay, that's a bit of me right there. Angela throws her cat up into the bed.
Save Bandit.
Okay, too much. Okay, cut.
Do you need me to call an ambulance?
No, I want you to pick me up. I burned my foot very badly on my Foreman grill.
Anyway, enough of that. We've got the recipe, so we are going to make this recipe. Does anyone else get confused when they're scrolling on photos which way to scroll to get to the bottom of the list? Okay, 1 cup of dried figs. I don't know how many times I've showed you this figs, but we've got 1 cup of figs here. And then 2.5 cup of ground almonds. I have to check if I've got that. 3 tablespoons of water. Tick. Tahini. Tick. Sea salt, yep. Ginger, yep. Cinnamon, yep. Vanilla paste, yep. And chocolate. Preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius. Line a baking tray with baking paper. In the food processor, combine figs, almonds and water. Okay. I went to find my almond meal and then it expires 2019. These are the options for almond meal substitute. Grind your own. Okay, no. Regular flour. I think we're gonna go with option 7. But obviously if you're gluten free you can do whatever tickles your fancy. Well, I think so. It's not my recipe. Haven't even tried it, but been for 12 minutes. Now dinner time, and for dinner we are now making a soup. I ended up changing my mind and having noodles instead and saving my veggies for the next day. Finish the day with some ice cream.
You and I took a trip to the grocery store. In the cart we had a DTR. The words fell out of my mouth, I love you. I think we were in the ice cream section. You're teasing me